When you make a call over the internet, do you ever think about how your voice reaches the other person? It doesn't just travel in one piece. It's broken into small digital packets, sent through the internet and reassembled instantly on the other end. This technology is called VoIP, or Voice over Internet Protocol, and it's changing the way we communicate every day. So what is VoIP? Simply put, it's a way to make calls using the internet instead of traditional phone lines. Unlike a regular call that travels through the wires or cell towers, VoIP turns your voice into data, sends it online and reconnects it on the other side. It's the same process used to send a message or an email, only this time it's carrying a voice. One of the biggest reasons people and businesses use VoIP is cost. Traditional phone systems, especially for international calls, can be expensive, but VoIP uses the internet you already pay for, eliminating the extra fees. That's why you call a friend overseas or join a work meeting with people across the globe without the worry of massive charges. VoIP really took off in the early 2000s with the services like Skype. Suddenly people realized that they should make free or low-cost calls online, and it completely shifted how we think about the phone calls. Businesses quickly joined in, replacing expensive landlines with VoIP to save money and increase flexibility. But it's not just about saving money. VoIP opens up new possibilities. You are not limited to just voice. You can add video calls, screen sharing, or even integrate VoIP with other softwares, making it a perfect fit for the remote work and online collaboration. Imagine being on a call and sharing your screen with a teammate, or switching seamlessly from audio to video. VoIP makes this possible in ways traditional phones can't match. However, VoIP depends upon the internet, so a poor connection can lead to low quality calls or dropped connections. This is an area where traditional phones still have an advantage, but as internet access improves globally, these issues are decreasing, and VoIP technology is designed to adapt to varying connection speeds, improving call quality. VoIP has shifted the way we communicate, making calls more flexible and affordable. It's everywhere from business meetings to calls with friends or family. And as internet access becomes more reliable, VoIP is likely to become an even bigger part of our daily lives. In the words of Alexander Graham Bell, great discoveries and improvements invariably involve the cooperation of many minds. VoIP embodies this collaboration, showing us a future where connecting with others isn't about location, it's about possibility.